Today in AI news, Europe's tech firms are gaining ground in the global AI race, thanks to China's DeepSeek model. German startup Novo AI has transitioned to DeepSeek, citing its lower costs and ease of migration. DeepSeek's competitive pricing, estimated to be 20 to 40 times cheaper than OpenAI's, could democratize AI access and push U.S. firms to reduce prices and improve models. In a contrasting move, Texas has become the first state to ban DeepSeek and RedNote on government devices, citing concerns over data collection and potential infiltration by the Chinese Communist Party. Governor Greg Abbott's order also includes the prohibition of Lemon 8, a social media app owned by ByteDance. Meanwhile, the Commonwealth Bank of Australia has introduced an AI agent for its business customers. Named CommBiz Gen AI, this agent aims to improve transaction efficiency and customer experience through hyper-personalization. This initiative is part of a new 5-year agreement with Amazon Web Services, enhancing the bank's digital capabilities. In the realm of fundamental physics, AI is paving the way for significant advances. CERN's next Director General, Mark Thompson, has highlighted how AI could revolutionize particle physics and potentially show how the universe will end. These developments underscore the rapid evolution of AI across various sectors and regions.